Hey beauty warriors, welcome back to my channel. So your girl's eyebrows are looking really weak. It's time to tint my eyebrows. I thought I was gonna bring you guys along with me and show you how I battle proof my eyebrows pretty much. So real quick, we're gonna talk a little about history. So if you are between the ages of about 32 and 45 right now, you probably bet you got no eyebrows anymore. In like year 2000, like 1999 to like 2005, my God. Did we ever drink the plucking the eyebrows Kool-Aid? There were so many artists that were doing this with their eyebrows, and their eyebrows were just like little pencil thin. Like we got Britney Spears, J-Lo, Gwen Stefani, Garbage, Misunderstood came out in 2001, Britney came out in 2001, J-Lo came out in 2001. What do you got? Rocksteady from No Doubt was released in 2001. That was like, it was over for everybody. We all just plucked our eyebrows to death, completely gone. So now I have no eyebrows. They don't grow back well. I've been trying so hard to get them to go by like serums, and honestly, castor oil so far has been the most beneficial thing that I've used, and most cost effective as well too. Like you can buy some stuff and it's like $150 freaking dollars. Apparently it works, but I don't care. I'm not buying it. That's too much. So anyways, my workaround is I tint my eyebrows. This was a trick that was taught to me, a Diva on a dime trick that was taught to me by my wonderful Syrian Canadian bestie. And it involves vegan hair dye. So this is a semi-permanent and permanent hair dye line. They have a liquid that's a semi-permanent, but they also have this. This is a powder powder permanent hair dye. Just to give you a rundown of what's in here before I tell you go put it on your face. There is sodium Perborate. That's an oxygenizer of some sort. I think that's a cleaning agent of some sort. P-Phenylenediamine sulfate. That's a dye. Sodium carbonate. That's washing soda, pretty much. Disodium Lauryl sulfosuccinate. That's a cleansing agent. Foam booster. I don't know. Algin. That's seaweed. You got Sapindus Mukurossi peel extract. Lychee. It's a lychee. It's basically lychee peel extract. Stearate. That is kind of like an agent to keep all the powder from sticking together. We've got P-Aminophenol in here. It's a developer, pretty much. And some fragrance. So I do apologize. There's some fragrance in there. So this is a hair dye. It's meant for hair dye. It says right on there, don't use on your eyebrows. Don't use on your eyelashes. I'm here to tell you, you can use it on your eyebrows. It's okay. I will not encourage you to use it on your eyelashes, but I won't deny that I always dye my eyelashes with it. I've definitely got it in my freaking eye before and nothing bad happened to me, but I don't encourage you to try and stick this in your eye or anything. It's not what it's meant for, so I've heard that people have had some bad results from having to go on their skin and whatnot. So do yourself like a skin test first and everything. This will dye your skin. It'll come off eventually. It'll actually come off pretty quickly. It will dye your nails. If you get it on your nails, it will not come off very quickly. So let's be very smart about this. So anyways, okay, let's carry on. So I'm going to use the color 26, which is a golden brown. They have about 10 different colors in the line, I think. I don't know. I didn't really count, to be honest, but they have a range of colors. I think this is the lightest, which is kind of wacky. It's actually pretty dark. But it worked for, this was what was given to me as a gift from my friend who's got black hair. She always used this color as well too. So do be careful when you're trying to dye-ish, because it can get kind of dark. So basically this is a mix it yourself dye. So I am going to open my little bottle up. It's a cute little glass bottle. I'm almost out of it. And I'm going to put it into some specialized equipment. This little cap here. So I'm going to pour a little dye into the cap, and it's just powder. You can kind of see it coming out. You don't need a lot. That's about enough. And then it's water activated. So you just mix some water in. I'm going to just use this little syringe because I had it handy, but you can just mix how much water you want. And I'm just going to put a few drops in there and just make a cream out of it first with some more specialized tools. This here beat up little end of an incense stick. So we mixy. Looks like we need some more water. So I'm just going to mix it until I get a cream, bit of a runny cream, so that it's workable and it's all worked in. You don't want to leave it too long, but you do need to work a little bit so that everything, like dissolves and all that kind of jam. Anyways, okay. So I've got this going on for me. It's emulsified, it's a little bit runny, but it's kind of gel-like. It's going to stay there. It's so simple. All you got to do is get your crease brush and draw your eyebrows in like you normally would, like you're painting your eyebrows on. You poor sad bitch, because you got no fucking eyebrows left. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Get my giant mop. This is not working with me today. It's just doing its thing. That's okay. We're just going to, that's fine. Excuse me. We'll probably speed this up a little bit. The thicker you make your formula, the more color you're going to get out of it. I usually start with a thinner formula just because I'm pale enough that I can look pretty whack if I go too thick. So basically you're going to paint it on, making sure you get all your brows, all your hair bits, and you're also going to let it get applied a little bit beyond your hairline, not hairline, but like beyond where your eyebrow hair actually is, so that you can kind of conscript a few of those little baby hairs you didn't even know you had. If you get some stuff where you're not supposed to, that's not a big deal. Wipe that bitch off and be more exact next time. I'm not upset if I get it on my skin. I actually kind of like that day after. I get like one full day of an actual real eyebrow of my own while I fake eyebrows on my skin. And I didn't have to draw them in for that day. Just one day. And then it's gone if it gets on your skin. So this will probably last about 3 weeks or so. I usually let it go way longer than that though. I'd imagine you can pay somebody to do all this, but I mean, a $6 investment in hair dye in this vegan stuff has lasted me like 3 years, I think. $6 for 3 years. Just do it your damn self. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and go do something else, I guess. Venom's a T-Rex. The ending to this is something. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm crusty. I look like Groucho Marx. No, really, I don't. I have the worst eyebrows ever right now. But I'm gonna go wash it off. I'll be right back. And there we have it, Beauty Warriors. Diva on a dime, home tinted eyebrows using vegan permanent hair dye. So I'm gonna go about the rest of my day with my wonderful new eyebrows. I'm not even gonna well, I'm probably gonna fill in a couple spots because you bitch can't do anything about this empty thing. But otherwise, like it's there. It's mine. These are mine. These are my eyebrows. My ability to make facial expressions. It's truly mine. Absolutely. Born this way. So I'd like to thank J-Lo. I'd like to thank Gwen Stefani. I'd like to thank Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera. I'd like to thank Shakira. Thanks, you bitches, for convincing me that plucking my eyebrows into pencil-thin little sticks along my eyebrow line is a great idea. Hope you're doing well and you can afford the eyebrow transplants or your eyebrows grew back. If not, Diva on a dime, home tinting, using vegan hair dye. Okay, thank you so much for visiting today, Warriors. I'm gonna put on some makeup and go carve a pumpkin with a little 7-year-old, and I'm really excited about it. Yay! I think it's a warty pumpkin too, so I'm gonna get my elbow grease in, a little extra work. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Happy Halloween. If I don't put something out before then, enjoy yourselves, guys. Thanks. Bye.